from here, so I'm not familiar with this area. But is that a proper restaurant where you've got to have a waiter and everything? Yeah.
One bedroom units topped out at $346. $346. That's the top rate for a one bedroom. No, there's apparently some girl that just sleeps, and she has the camera on her, and she just sleeps, and people watch her sleep.
Look at that view.
Yeah. Aww.
Back over at Mom's.
Jazz? Oh, they're just for you. Jazz, did you hear Granny?
No.
Can you hear her?
You have to wear glasses all the time, or are they just for reading?
I have to wear them all the time, or contacts.
Oh,
We've got one.
that's an inconvenience for you, isn't it? And the baby keeps snapping at them, and
Yeah, she rips them off my face a lot.
That's one of her favorite things to do. Grab glasses off.
oh, you look how long the hair is now.
Jazz, yeah.
Yeah, something broke on that.
Oh.
I think maybe his transmission snapped.
There's two little pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucks.
Oh, look at this guy.
So we found our place to eat. We can have milkshake, sandwich, soup, and 2 cookies. Yeah. And we're right outside Chinatown. So we're walking through Chinatown on the way back to the car. And we bought some Zippy Bling. Zippy Bling. Oh, I've seen these for sale too, huh? Those apartments.
Oh.
Yeah. They'd be pretty good.
Oh, look at this.
Is that for sale? Nice rocking chair. So we check in and we're all lined up and waiting for the ferry to get back. I think we've had till 4 o'clock. Shouted on the way in, but... And this, who's this?
Such a professional filmer.
Who's this? And yeah, the life raft system's built in Australia, and
we're pulling out. It's going to be a bit of a scary ride, and I'll put you over to my co-producer and director's assistant. Who are you seeing now? Tatiana. Tatiana, do you have any people, anything to say to the nice church? I don't even have time for shopping. What is all the shopping? What about the shopping? What kind of cruise ship is this? Okay, hon, that could be one of our sailboats over there.
Yeah, okay. Let's pay attention.
See? Like that blue bottom one or the one next to it?
Yeah. That's about the size I think I can see me on.
Oh, we're really pulling away.
Did you get the bottom? The frothy
Yeah.
surf?
The foamy back.
That's pretty nice.
Well, that's straight on the boat and straight out to sea.
Same as last time.
Yeah.
We didn't have a wait either way.
See, when I see the boats from here, I think, oh, that would be so neat.
We're just anchored there all day. Maybe overnight.
Yeah.
Maybe for a week. Maybe they just take their little dinghy to shore when they need something.
But what do you do? Lock it up? Because anybody could steal it and take off.
Well, I wouldn't get into your course right now. You've got the roof down.
Yeah.
I don't need the door unlocked.
Yeah, so here we are. A couple of sailboats out there under full sail.
Doesn't the water look beautiful?
Yeah. Makes you want to almost jump in it. So we're done with Victoria.
program. We're back on board and we've eaten our food and just chilling.
Sunning.